everybody, it's Mel here and welcome back once again to my channel, Pebbles and Peach. Today I'm going to show you guys how exactly our slide out, fold out bed works in the van. So I'm not gonna lie, today I'm going to use a teeny bit of footage from a previous video which was van life, my daily routine. I kind of showed you guys what an average wild camping day was like living in the van. I will link that video below if you haven't checked it out yet. But at the very end of that video, as part of the day, obviously I showed you guys how our bed works because it's a little bit different than a lot of the slide out beds. It has no legs hanging down at the front of it, it sits across on our wardrobe. So I just thought I'd do a short video showing that part, showing how it works so that you don't have to like dig through all my previous videos to find it. But of course, before we dive into the video, if you wouldn't mind taking 2 little seconds to hit the thumbs up button, it really helps out my channel. And if you could subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, you guys know I always really appreciate it and it does really help me out too. And of course there's a notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I am having an exciting day because I just got news of some stuff that's happening and I just can't wait to share it to you guys. I can't yet, but I will. Ooh, cryptic. So yeah, this video isn't going to be too long, just give you guys an idea of how this bed works. I know a lot of people are so set on a fixed bed. They're like, no, I need a fixed bed so that I can just lie down end of the day. But I mean, at the end of the day, we do have nightly routines. We get changed into our pajamas or maybe nudie, whatever. You take your day's clothes off, you clean your teeth, which takes 2 minutes, and literally making our bed takes about the same amount of time as cleaning your teeth. So with the fact that it gives us so much space, having it slid away, like it creates like all of this space, like where I'm sitting right now, I couldn't do that if we had a fixed bed because it would just be bed. Well, I do like the idea of a fixed bed, and if I had like a big massive Luton van or something like that, yeah, would probably have one. Or if I could have a raised bed, would probably have one. But honestly, the fact that it takes like 2 minutes to pull out the bed, it's not a big issue for me, and this one works really effectively and doesn't get in the way of anything. So I'm going to pass you back to Mel in Spain, who's going to explain how we put out our bed at night time, and basically in the morning it's just the reverse of this. It's really dead easy to get in and out, and like I said, literally takes 2 minutes, if even, whenever the two of us just go boop 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 boop, and there you have a bed, and literally it's not an issue. So yeah, here's Mel of the past, and here's how our bed works. Okay, so first of all, we have this down pat. We work as a team. Aaron's on this side, I'm on this side, and we first put the cushions over on top of the cooker. De-pillow. We de-pillow. And then we each take a side of this blanket. This just makes the bed look nice and tidy.
Serves no other purpose though.
Well, it's cozier, I think.
It's like, just another thing we do at the end of every day, really.
The mattress clean and tidy. And then we fold this up, and this lives in the cab, I think, is that called? The cab? Yeah. So we have a little space for it in the cab, behind the curtains. Oh, hello. Yeah. So then we come down to the bottom. This section here slides out between the gap, and like I showed you guys earlier, it sits here just in front of our wardrobes. So if we were to build this again, we would make it so that we could open our wardrobes, because right now we can't open them. So it folds out like this, and then literally flips, and then the bed, as you may or may not have noticed, is actually made. So if you just flip this out, Aaron, and that is the bed made. We just put our, sorry my battery died there and I just had to change it real quick, but basically that's the bed made. We just got to put the pillows on, but first I like to do, like, everyone thinks this is really weird, but it's what I call a de-bum crumb, and I've done this for years. It's probably like part of my OCD, I'm not gonna lie. It's just something I've always done, is I check the bed, make sure there's no dead bugs or gross things, and I call them bum crumbs, because have you ever noticed all the little bits that you find in your bed are from like the waist down of your bed? Like you never find anything up at the top, and then you will feel them on your legs and stuff. So I do a bum crumb, sweep this all down, and then after I do that, put this back, put our pillows on the top, and we're ready to get into the bed and stick the tablet on and watch something. I think tonight we're watching Office, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so tonight we're gonna watch some Office in bed. You've already seen how that works from the banter, but basically this arm pulls out and we set the tablet here, which is down there, and we watch some Office in bed. Basically that is it. Aaron is in bed behind me. being weird. He's just gonna get Office up on the tablet right now, and we'll watch maybe an episode or two of The Office. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have so much stuff coming to this channel and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Honestly, I've just been having really good fun on this channel recently, and I'm glad that you guys are enjoying it too. And I will see you on the next upload. Thanks guys, bye.
I'll raise a glass to you, and you'll raise a glass to me, and when